Hey, what's going on everyone? I'm Saba and thanks for tuning in to my channel, Savoring with Saba. It is cocktail time. I'm so excited for this episode. It's been a long, hard week and your girl deserves a cocktail. So we're making one of my favorite classic cocktails I like to make, and that's the Moscow Mule. So let's jump right in and get started. I have my good friend London with me today. London, say hi to the people.
Hello, world.
Are you excited about our Moscow Mules?
Anytime to drink in the morning, I am with it. Let's go, people.
Yes, that's why he's my friend. Cocktail time, anytime is what I say. So do you like Moscow Mules?
Never had one.
You've never had?
No.
Well, we're going to change that. Now, I love a good Moscow Mule because it has vodka in it. So we have our vodka, we have our lime juice, and our ginger beer. And for those who want a good low-carb option, a diet ginger beer is the way to go. My preference is Gosling. I think that their brand of diet ginger beer still has that zing and no aftertaste.
So we can't put rum in it?
I mean, you can get fancy, but today, because your girl likes vodka, we're going to do vodka.
Okay, that's
Okay.
right.
So it's super simple. We've already chilled our mugs and we have ice in it already. So if you don't have ice, go ahead and put ice into your mug. So first things first, we're gonna take that lime juice.
All right.
Okay, and we're just gonna pour that in. I love a good cocktail that has a zing to it. I like sweet stuff too, but I like a good kick. What about you?
I like a spice.
You like a spice?
Yeah, I like
okay.
a spice.
Yeah, I like a zing. And so that lime juice is going to help bring out the flavor of our ginger beer.
Okay.
Now we're going to use our vodka. My favorite. My preference. There we go. We're going to be generous. And I'll give you the mixer. So you just spin and, what's the word I'm looking for? There we go. Stir it. Oh,
I'm a professional at this.
My mind is on the cocktail. Okay. What does it smell like? It smells like goodness, right?
Smells like lemonade.
So now we're gonna take our ginger beer.
Okay.
And we're just gonna pour that in. All right. So we are good to go. We're gonna come back, we're gonna garnish this, and then it wouldn't be a Savoring with Saba episode without a game. So we're right back to play a game with my friend London.
I'm about to drink.
So we are playing our game of just random questions. Are
It's
you
gonna
ready?
be dangerous.
It is gonna be dangerous. Are you?
Talk to me.
Are you
Yes,
ready?
I'm ready.
Well, let's cheers.
Cheers.
A good cocktail and
This
good
is actually
questions.
good though.
Thank you. Okay.
No. You have to drink.
Oh, my bad.
Cheers, yeah.
Cheers again.
Cheers.
It's gonna perk you up, right? Just the zing of it all.
Think you're ready to set me up. Let's go.
I don't ever
But
set
I'm-
up my guests.
I'm good for questions, so that's
Okay.
fine.
I'll answer them too. So
Oh,
it's fair.
okay.
It's fair. We both answer them.
So can I ask you some questions?
No. You
Oh. You see the setup? You see the setup?
No.
Always trying to set us.
Okay, this is my channel.
What's up?
Okay.
You see?
Okay. First question. If you could be born again with the same knowledge you have now,
Okay.
what would you do differently?
Be a singer. You
Oh.
know, because I'm an excellent singer.
You want to share a little something?
Oh, really? Your secrets are safe with me. Does that work? No? See, I didn't warm up.
No, it's not about me. It's not about me. Everyone in the comments, let London know if he should pursue.
Hold on. There's a few things. My career path would be different.
That part.
I probably wouldn't still be in Maryland. You
True.
know, I would definitely move, and I would start my business earlier on. Like,
I like that. I agree.
and
I think.
sports, I would probably stick to sports a little bit more.
Okay. Well,
Just
I think I would definitely create Facebook and Instagram. I'll be the first one. Move over, Zuckerberg. I think I would be doing things differently. Like I travel and like share my travel experiences. I love to do that.
Okay.
What is the thing that most people think about you that actually is not true?
That I'm loud, right?
Oh, what? What? You just projected and trying to sing some. I don't even know what that was. I'm gonna call it R&B for now because I don't know what that. But you
No,
trying to.
a lot of people think I'm loud, right?
You
But
are loud.
No, I'm a very quiet person. You know, sometimes.
Now you're about to say he's shy.
Yes, I am a shy person. If I warm up to you, then I will, be more open. But I'm a real shy person.
Okay. I think that people think no, because he's singing for us. He serenaded us. Now he wants to say he's shy and he's not loud. Like the neighbors didn't hear.
And y'all didn't let me sing, my song over again. I didn't get a chance to warm up. Your secret. So you heard some cracking in the beginning, all right?
Okay, you know what? Before we close out, I'll let you do a little something.
Oh, really?
Maybe
like
just,
my shine?
you know what? But sing like Savoring Wasaba, something. I'll give you time to think about it. Okay.
She's trying to have me make up a song for her.
A theme song.
For free. Invoice coming.
You know what? I think some people would think I am high maintenance or mean.
Zoom in on this look.
I'm not. I'm really sweet, and I think that people are always so surprised that I'm so friendly.
Right.
Because they assume I'm like a mean girl.
Okay.
Are they nice?
Yeah, we'll go with that. We all told false statements.
Okay. Yeah, keep sipping.
Okay. What else you got for me?
Next question. If there's something you've done in the past and you wish you could go back in time to undo, what would it be?
Oh man. You go first. Let's see.
It's around travel. So I think I would have either taken a year after graduating from college and traveled and taken time to assess before going into more school.
Okay.
I feel like that would have probably changed things. Or like I said, the business degree, because I need something practical.
All right, let me piggyback off that.
Okay.
So after high school, instead of going to college, I would have probably went to Peace Corps.
Oh, interesting.
I love to travel, and I love helping people.
Oh, I love that. Yes, hand clap for that. What country would you want to be stationed in if you had a choice?
Somewhere in Africa, yeah.
Okay, the motherland.
The motherland.
I'm always here for it. Shout out to Ghana. All right, well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. London, welcome to the channel.
Well,
Did you have fun?
I had an awesome time, and the drink is excellent.
Yay, thank you.
I appreciate you.
And go to my website, savoringwasaba.com for the recipe. Again, savoringwasaba.com. And don't forget to tag me on Instagram and Facebook at Saba Savors if you recreate this dish. So, London, I want to give you another chance to, show some vocals. Because I give you a chance to warm up.
All right.
Sing us out.
Love is so many things I gotta tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how.
Oh.
But
Thank you. Thanks.
That was so fake. I was giving my heart out to the camera, and that's how you gonna treat me?
That's good.
You know what?
Thank you.
I have some things to talk about.
No, it's okay. Thank you so much,
I was
London.
joking, though.
Thank you for coming. I appreciate it. And thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, happy savoring.